All right. It was reasonably chilly yesterday, so we'll see if this old Powerstroke will start. Get it out of my fucking driveway. I don't know why it does that. It's always weird. It locks itself. All right, okay. Give it another cycle. There you go. Not too bad. As compared with the Dodge. Unlock. Recently repaired parking brake. Come now, focus, you fuck. Wait to start. And the light's running for a minute, 36 degrees. Ooh, fucking loyal. Fucking loyal. Ain't even smoking out of the pipe.